How to fix Instagram notification not working problem. Hey guys, welcome back to 1 million ideas YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to fix Instagram notification not working problem. So guys, I will show you how to fix it. So before that, please subscribe to the channel, and if you like the video, please hit the like button, and then let's get started. So guys, first of all, go to your Instagram account. Go to your Instagram account, sorry, and then what you have to do is, you can see here an icon, profile icon on the below or right of your screen. Just click here, and then you have to click on these 3 days. You can see here on the top right of your screen. Just click here, and then now you have to click on this settings. Just click to settings, and then now you have to click on this notification. You can see your notification. Just click on notification, and then now what you have to do is just click on this direct message. You can see here, just click on direct message, and then guys, see here message request, it is off. You can see here off. So what you have to do is you have to on this, and then group request, so it is off. You have to on this message, it is off, so you can do from primary and general both, and then it is done. So now go back, and then let's see, just go to the message, and then everything is okay. So what you have to do is go to your Google Play Store once, and then search for Instagram, and then if the Instagram is asking for an update, you have to update your Instagram. After that, go back to your phone settings. Go to your phone settings, and then what you have to do is, I guess you can see here app management, or you'll have install apps or application managers or anything. If your phone is different, you'll get different option. So I have Oppo F11, so I have app management. So just I will click on app management. So you have to search for Instagram here. Click on Instagram, and what you have to do is just stop the force here. You have to stop the force, and then now you have to click on storage uses. Just click to storage uses, and you have to clear all the data here. Now what you have to do is just click on permissions, and you have to allow all the permission here. As I have already allowed the permission, I am doing this because to solve your problem and to show you how to fix it. Now go back to your Instagram, and then let's see. Yeah, it is done. So this is how you can fix your problem, Instagram notification not showing problem on Android device. Thanks for watching.